Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be all about hair extensions. I haven't done a hair related video in a while, so I figured it was about time to do one. So I recently got a new set of clip-in hair extensions. Now I go back and forth between halos and clip-ins, and typically when I purchase clip-in hair extensions, I go to the Bellami website. They are a very popular hair extension company, but I decided this time around to go with a different company, kind of switch it up a bit. So I am going to be showing you guys these Mhot hair extensions, if I'm saying that correctly. This box is so beautiful, you guys. So I thought it would be cool to kind of unbox, show you guys the hair, give like a review, my thoughts, and then kind of compare them to Bellami hair extensions. I have a couple wefts of the Bellami hair extensions, like my older ones, to kind of compare them with. So anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and the notification bell down below. Without further ado, if you guys would like to see these Mhot hair extensions versus Bellami, then just keep watching. First off, as you guys saw, this is what the box looks like. It's super beautiful, and I believe Bellamy's do not come in a box. They just come in like a little like plastic like Ziploc package or packet, if you will. I'm pretty sure the last time I ordered Bellami was maybe like, I don't know, maybe in the spring of this year, so it's been a while, but they could have switched up their packaging. So this is like a very glamorous box, if you will, so I love it. It's got like the black ribbon. I do want to mention that most of the hair is actually in my head, but I do have leftover hair to show you guys. Besides the hair extensions, this is what it looks like. The hair extensions are in a packet, which I'll show you guys in a second, that are placed right there. And then I'm like, okay, it comes with lashes. That's super cool. Last time I checked, I've never seen hair extension companies include a set of fake eyelashes, so that is definitely a first and awesome. Now the hair comes in this packet. They do have a tester piece. I think it was like underneath the eyelashes. They have like a little tester piece that you can look at to see if this is the exact color that you want. And generally speaking, most hair extension companies will include like a tester piece or a sample piece before you open the actual package of hair extensions, in case you do want to return. So they do include that. And then this is what the hair extensions or the rest of the hair comes in, and there is like a little sticker label here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like that silver like metallic sticker, and basically it says that once this is like ripped or you kind of like Ziploc over it and go over it, you can't return it. So that's pretty standard. You know, pretty much every hair extension company or hair extensions that I bought have that, so I just figured I'd mention that. I went with the 18-inch clip-in hair extensions. They are 140 grams, and I've actually seen other companies before that offer a less amount of grams for the 18-inch clips, so that is really great. Now typically my first color of choice will be ash blonde, but they did not have ash blonde, so I went with beach blonde, which was no problem to me. They did have a wide variety of colors, but they did not have the ash blonde, so I got beach blonde. And I've told you guys before, if you guys watch any of my hair extension videos, I always like to low light my hair extensions, so I do it myself, and basically this is what they came out to be, and it looks perfect. So even if it was ash blonde or beach blonde, I think it's pretty good. Now, what I wanted to mention first, if you guys are wondering, the lowlights that I do through this, it's basically, I go to Sally Beauties and I can switch up brands. I either will do Clairol, but lately I've been liking the Ion brand, and I do the shade 8N for lowlights, and I'll either mix it with a 20 or a 30 developer, and that's what I do for lowlights. But most people that buy clip-in hair extensions either take it to their hairdresser to, you know, perfect the color, or they don't need to do lowlights to it. Just for me, that's what I like to do. But the great thing is that you can color this hair. It's 100% human hair Remy, which is great. I had no issues coloring it, and it still feels very silky and luxurious. I've already washed it and colored it, so you can definitely do that to it. You can apply heat to it. So these hair extensions came with 10 pieces in total. It came with the 4 single pieces, which I had left over. Like, I had hair left over, you guys, which is crazy. So it came, or I had these like 4 single pieces left over, and I like when companies include these single pieces. So it had 4 of these, and then it had just 6 regular wefts. Some had the 3 clips and some had the 2 clips. So this one right here has the 3 clips, as you guys can, well, as you guys can see now. So there you go. The clips I had no issue with. They're very sturdy. Again, I've had problems with other companies in the past where the clips kind of sucked. So these clips are great, very high quality. I kind of just want to get close so you guys can see, you know, the quality of these. And the hair feels so nice, especially after coloring it, which I'm impressed because sometimes after like washing and coloring hair, this is going back like in my years of experience. I'm not necessarily saying for Bellami, but other companies, like after I color and wash it, it already feels kind of like gritty and crappy. This feels so smooth, so luxurious. So far, so good. And then also too, another test that I like to do is some hair extension companies, it'll be thicker up here. And then when you go toward the bottom, it will thin out, but it's still pretty thick at the bottom, you guys. So I wanted to mention that because a lot of hair extension companies out there will have like thicker up here and it'll get like really thin and almost look like string-like at the ends, but it's definitely like pretty thick at the end. So I wanted to mention that. And also these are lace-wefts, if you guys were wondering, because I know that they have all different options of wefts these days. So these are lace-wefts, and the pricing for these is pretty reasonable because I am not about to pay like well over $200 for hair extensions. So for 18 inches for the 140 grams, this is pretty reasonable priced. It's very similar to like what Bellami would be. The quality's there. So I've been wearing these probably for, I want to say like the last 3 or 4 days after I color them, and so far I'm loving them. So before I get into physically comparing the hair extensions, I went on Bellami's, well, I'm on Bellami's website right now, and their 18-inch clip-in hair extensions is only 120 grams, whereas this is 140 grams, so you're getting 20 grams more. So for me, that means that it's going to be a little bit thicker. So that's great. I did not know that. So that's definitely a plus, an advantage that these extensions have over the Bellami. In addition to having the 20 more grams of hair, this only comes with 7 pieces, whereas the Mhot comes with 10. So the Bellamis come with 2 4-clip wefts, 3 3-clip wefts, and 2 2-clip wefts. So they don't come with these single ones, and I like these, especially for people that have like thinner hair around here. And some days I do this, I like to like kind of put these up there. So that's what's great about these single wefts. So with the 18 inches, they don't offer the single wefts. I think Bellami might for their 20 inches maybe offer the single wefts. I'm not sure. So I do like that they include the single wefts. This right here is one of my old Bellami hair extensions, and this is the Mhot hair extensions. I don't have the size that looks like this for the Mhot to show you because it's actually in my head or clipped into my head. So this is, I mean, visibly looking, you're not going to really notice a difference, but right off the bat, I'm going to tell you what I notice. So I can just tell now, feeling it, that the Bellamis are definitely thinner. They're definitely thinner. When I go like this, and then when I go like this, the hair is just so much thicker. So that's another plus. And then also like looking at these, looking at like the inside part, I can kind of like see through it in the back. I mean, not that it's a big deal, but I can see, like I can see through, it's like another weft through there. I can see through it. I think that these are, you know, put together a little bit better. They're sewed better. Get close up so you guys can see. Sometimes my camera doesn't like to like focus on me, but this is what the Mhot looks like. So they're very well constructed. This is what the back looks like. If you guys were wondering, that's what it looks like. Very well constructed, sewed very nicely. Now, let me just get the Bellamis up close so you guys can see. Hopefully this wants to focus. But if you guys can see, I don't know, it's like more like transparent. I know you're probably not going to be able to see it, but at least hopefully you guys can see the clips. I don't know if you're noticing any of a difference, but that's what I'm noticing. So Bellami extensions are definitely great, but overall what I'm noticing is that you get more hair with these extensions, which is great. And they just seem thicker. You get more pieces of hair. I like the single weft clips. I do like that they include it in the 18 inches because Bellami definitely doesn't offer that. And I like to have that option of the single weft clips. And I think they're just a little bit like constructed a little bit better in terms of like sewing the clips in and the way it feels. I just think the weft part is constructed just a little bit better. So those are like the major differences, and that the hair feels thicker. You know, Bellami is great, but for a new company that I'm just like testing out, I would definitely recommend these to you guys 100%. I'm wearing them now. You can color them, you can style them, you can, I mean, I straighten them, you can curl them, you can do whatever. So I will have these linked down below if you guys are interested. I think they also offer like ombre, I can never say that word, you guys. I think they offer like ombre and all different like color variations as well, in addition to just the regular basic colors. And then they might even offer halos and maybe tape-ins. I'm not exactly sure. I just went with the clip-ins. So if you guys are interested in these Mhot hair extensions, I will have them linked down below. So that is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below, do you guys wear clip-ins clip-in hair extensions. What are your go-to clip-in hair extensions? Where do you get them from? Are you considering trying this company? I would definitely recommend them 100%. I've tested them out. I'm wearing them today. I'm loving them, and the quality is definitely there. Let me know. I would be curious to find out. But anyways, that is it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.